I'm an AFAA Master Instructor and a Master Instructor for Yoga Assets. Today we are going to do a flow for peace. So anytime you feel like you're out of sorts and you just need to come back to yourself and calm down, this is a great flow for that. We're going to start tabletop. This is how I like to start most of my flows. So on your hands and on your knees, and take those knees directly below the hips, and just start to take some deep breaths, inhaling in and exhaling out. And then notice the spine, notice how the spine feels. We're going to start to articulate the spine and make the spine move with us. And as we inhale, we'll drop the belly to the floor, lift the hips and shoulders and head high. And then as we exhale, tuck the hips, shoulders, head into cat. Inhaling in to cow, exhaling to cat. And just breathe through these poses a few times until you start to feel your body connect with the breath. Till you start to lose all other thoughts and sensations, and you just are focused on the inhale and the exhale. And as you do this spine articulation, inhaling in, exhaling out, start that at the base of the spine, right by the sacrum, and roll through each of those vertebrae with the head moving last. Inhaling in, exhaling out. Obviously working at home. Puppy Lily coming in for peace as well. Next time you come into cat, sink the hips back, bringing the heels and hips closer together. If they don't quite reach each other, you can place a blanket or a bolster or a block underneath your hips. Walk the fingertips further out, keeping the forehead down on the mat. And do a little shift side to side, taking a breath here. And now let's leave one arm extended nice and long, and the opposite arm is going to thread through, bringing the shoulder down to the mat and the forehead down. So the connection of that forehead to the floor, the grounding of our body, is a great way to bring peace. And shifting. If you have the opportunity to be able to do something like this outside in actual earth, it's a really peaceful feeling. Turning the head to the side, reaching the fingertips nice and long. And then bringing it back to center. And let's flow through that again before we add something on, shifting back up, inhale, rising up into cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Hips up. Exhale, sit back, child's pose, balasana. Inhale, lift the shoulder. Exhale, settle into that twist. Inhale, lift both shoulders. Exhale, settle into the twist the other way. And inhale. Exhale, lower the forehead, center into child's pose. Inhale, coming back into that cow. Do that flow again. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, lift the shoulder. Exhale, thread the arm through, bringing the forehead down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, thread the opposite arm through. Inhale, back up. Exhale, forehead to the mat, pressing it in this child's pose. Walk your fingertips a little further away from your knees and stay here with that forehead grounding into the mat. And any of these poses you can pause in, stay in, and breathe in. Any that bring you comfort and peace. I hope you enjoyed this flow, and I hope it brings you peace.